One of my main goals this year is to minimize the time that it takes to do my everyday tasks, and that's why I'm grateful for MeoWant sending over this automatic cat litter box. Not only will it save me time, but it also has some important safety features for our cats. Now, this litter box incorporates a fully enclosed rear toilet design to prevent the cats from getting stuck, PIR, pyroelectric sensors, weight sensors, current overload protection, and other functions to protect their safety. Now, there's also a purple sterilization mode that turns on every 6 hours from the app. And then there's also a fragrance gel cartridge that just slides into the side right here. And that's going to help to decompose odors and keep the air fresh for a long time. You can use the app control to control the unit, track the cat's weight, track the frequency of use and duration, and get notified when it's time to empty. Now, you can also set a schedule and just monitor the cat's overall health with the app. Last but not least, there's a mat on the front here that has a removable tray that'll catch all the debris.